So this is the second video in the series on the 37 sensor kit from Keyestudios. So here's the kit once again. They have a nice little diagram here, corresponds with the sensors in the slots, and we are doing the accelerometer in this video, which goes right here. So it may seem that I'm going in kind of a random order with these, but these are the sensors that go with the blue Tinker Pie box, so I'm keeping them together. So if you're not familiar with what an accelerometer does, basically it detects that it's being moved in 3 axes. This is Z, and then this is X, and this is Y. So it's kind of like what's going on in your iPhone when you tilt it and the screen turns. It has an accelerometer in it. So you might use this for controlling a robot, like if you want to go faster or slower based on how you tilt this. Okay, so next thing we're going to do over here is go to my computer, and we have the wiki up, and this is Keyestudios wiki. They have a picture, specs, and a handy little diagram, and then the sample code to get you started. So this one takes 4 wires. We have positive, ground, and then 2 of our wires are going into the analog ports in the Arduino. So we have 4 cables here, and first I'm going to connect the power, and then the black to ground. The next one looks like it's the purple. And then blue, and the last one is open. Okay. Okay, so the red goes into 5 volts. And then ground is the black. Purple is in the first analog, and blue is in the second. Okay, so there we go. Now back over here, we would grab our sample code and copy and paste it into the Arduino IDE. I already have mine over on my Pi, so I'm remoting into my Pi, and I'm going to open the Arduino software. Okay, you get this tiny little screen that comes up. I'm going to open my my sketch, MOD-0006. I'm going to close that original screen and then resize this so I can see it. Okay, so there's quite a bit of code in this one, and this is an introductory video, so what I'm going to do here is just run it and hope it works. And we're going to do some other things and add to this and go through this code in later videos. So for now, we're just going to upload it to our Arduino. So as always, the 2 things you do: make sure you have the right board. We're using the Uno, and make sure you're using the right port, which we are. And then we're going to upload the sketch to the Uno. Now, a lot of these sketches will have some kind of feedback that gets written to the screen, and that's called the serial monitor. There's a couple ways to get to it. If you go to Tools and then Serial Monitor, it'll bring it up. I like to use a little icon over here, so it'll pull up the screen that the sketch is writing the X, Y, and Z values to the screen. So to make sure we're working here, we're going to take this off of here, and then as you tilt it, you can see those values changing. First column is going negative, positive. We tilt it this way, negative, positive in the second column, and then this would be Z. And there you go. There's our accelerometer all hooked up and ready to do some fun stuff.